照一下哈，今天是2025年10月21号啊，那这是昨天晚上做的，还没来及拍视频啊。今天有一点就赶了哈，所以拉的不是很好，有一些皱啊，但是还可以了。这是南面啊，这是东面，然后呢，这是北面啊。今天我二哥来这里。来亲自参与我们的建造大概是这么个情况。然后呢，鱼池我们也现在在打水啊。这个现在还除了昨天堵的漏，又发现两个地方哈，就是那边和这边还是漏的比较厉害，还是要继续堵。Okay, as you can see, we already lay out the pond liner. Attached to the side, and now we are adding sand to the sand bed. 这是我二哥来帮忙了，来体验生活，劳动改造。现在我们是要割一个口子哈，然后呢，再粘上多孔膜哈。我手里拿的这个多孔膜，把它这个口又封住，就目的就是让它又出水啊，但是沙子不从那儿出去，所以这个多孔膜就起作用了，所以它又能够做肥皂泡的蒙膜，又能够这个做硅砂预晒工程的挡膜就挡住沙子。就这样，好，把它切出一个口子。Okay, we lay the pond liner and then backfill this area with sand. That's the sand bed, and that wall is already there. Here is the last wall. We need to set it up, and then that will finish the job. And I will put up the pipes. I already actually cut it. I just need to assemble it again, and that will finish the aquaponics system. Here we still need to fill the bottom. I fill this area, but there's 2 more areas I need to really seal it. I bought a special glue that I can use underneath the water, in the water, so that hopefully that will work. This shows the inner cover, actually the inner skirt. We simply fold it and then use the spring and to force it into the groove. And then just, we have this left over. We simply cut it open here, and we just place it like this, so then the liquid just flow here, then just flow into the drain. Okay, that's very good. This way, even the gaps, the gap we fill with silicone, even that crack, that there's no problem in catching the soap liquid. Okay, we've finished the bricks and the concrete. Just cover the surface of the brick with concrete. Finished. Then this side also finished. Yeah, and that's it. We've finished all the sand bed for iAVs sandponics. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Pretty good. And we have the skirt on, and then we need to place the bubble generator over here, but still waiting for the air inlet control unit. Joshua is doing. Once he's finished, we can Put down everything.